Hi guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got an XUV 700 AX5 for modification. Let me tell you what all accessories we have upgraded, and we'll also tell you what is the process and how much time it has taken and what is the cost it took for the customer to do the complete upgradation. On exterior for the customer, right? So it is a molded headlight. Customer didn't want to change this by adding projector. So what we have done here is we have added fog projector over here. If you see here, right, we have added a dual fog projector, each of 45 volts, and it looks like an OE fitment as well. So on AX5, you don't get auto folding mirrors because you don't get that switch inside. So what we have done here is we have taken a Mahindra Genuine with a wiring kit. We have done an auto folding mirror, which will work with your car remote as well as on the switch as well. Then other customer had one more issue was climbing to the car. He had an elderly parents. So what we have done here is we have added a footstep so that getting down and getting up becomes much more easier while getting into the car. On back, customer wanted a protection. So what we have done is we have added a back bumper, and for the looks, what we have done is we have added a reflector light. For the look, what we have added is we have added a door visor and a window garnish with chrome line. So now on interiors, what customer wanted is he wanted a black seat covers with a silver stitch on the door pads, dashboard and the steering cover as well. So what we have done is we have come up with a theme concept where what we are going to do here is we are coming with black with silver. Apart from all interior works, customer wanted to look his car more beautiful. So what we have done is we have added an ambient light. So on AX5, customer wanted a dash camera as he did not have a back camera. So what we have done here is on the back camera, in the dash cam itself, we have given the reverse connection, and while driving also you can use our RSCARPREMIUM 11.6 inches, which can be both useful for both front and rear, which comes up with a G sensor and a parking mode option. So customer had one more bigger concern is he was getting a lot of rattling noise inside the car and he was not getting the audio effect very well. So what we have done here is we have added a 2 layers of damping, so which will enhance his audio as well and it will reduce the road noise as well. Customers one more major concern was he was feeling a lot of heat which was coming through inside the car. So what we have done over here is we have used a sun flame of Iris Pro of 70% on the side, and on the front we have used a clear view paper. On the rooftop what we have done is we have used 70% of the cooling paper. So in that case what will happen now is we will at least reduce 30 to 40% of heat rejection which is coming inside the car. So for the flooring what we have done is we have used a 7D mat. It will look good as well and it will cover the almost 90% of your car. If you guys wanted to get a car modified, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.